Namaskar. My videos, and specifically this video, is Ocean of Knowledge. All of my videos go into invention and create something new. Ocean of Knowledge. Don't take it as a regular video. No. Today, to avoid regret and write new chapters in this life, we need to remove 3 bandages from our eyes. We have bandages on our eyes like this. We have 3 bandages like this. Very critical, very complex, very damaging. And these eyes are different. So हिंदी में ये मेरा जो वीडियो है ये समुद्र है इंफॉर्मेशन का, नॉलेज का। और अगर आप एक रिग्रेट को या एक जो बाद में पछतावा है उसको रोकना चाहते हो जीवन में, अपने जीवन में या अपने बच्चों के जीवन में, और नए चैप्टर, नए आयाम, नई इन्वेंशंस के सामने जाना चाहते हो, तो आपको 3 जो हैं बैंडेजेस जो आंखों पे लगी हुई हैं और कोई देख नहीं रहा, nobody is taking care of that, you will have to remove 3 bandages. Just like I showed, like this, we have 3 bandages like this. And we are sleeping and doing everything with these bandages. Now, this to avoid regret and see new chapters, remove 3 bandages of eyes. हमें जो पछतावा है और नए आयाम दुनिया में देखने के लिए 3 पट्टियों को आंखों की दूर करना पड़ेगा। ये पट्टियां कौन सी हैं? These 3 bandages are the bandages of the families. What our families make us to see. We don't see, but our families make us to see. They give us a eye. हमारी फैमिलीज हमें एक आंख दे देती हैं देखने के लिए, हमारी अपनी आंख नहीं देख रही होती। एंड सेकंड इज द बैंडेज ऑफ द सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी हमें एक आंख दे देती है दुनिया को देखने के लिए, हमारी आंख नहीं देख रही होती। एंड द थर्ड इज द बैंडेज ऑफ रिलीजन. रिलीजन हमें एक आंख दे देता है, हमारी आंख नहीं देख रही होती। You are not going to get such a video in the history of your life. In the total time of your life, you are not going to see this video. I am a regular person. You might take my video a regular one, but it is not regular. It is inventive. It is new dimension. It is something away from this world. Looks like from some other planet. 3 bandages we will have to remove. हमें अपनी आंखों से 3 पट्टियां परे करनी ही होंगी, तब हम अपनी इन आंखों से, अपने इस दिमाग से इस दुनिया को देख सकेंगे। These three bandages don't close our eyes but close our brain, and we should know that our eyes don't see, our brain see with the calculations. So हमें ये 3 पट्टियां रिमूव करनी होंगी, तब हमारी then we can see with our eyes, with our own eyes, the eyes from this soul and body. But till today, we people look with the eyes of the family, the eyes of the society, the eyes of the religion, and the time goes by and we are done. So be yourself. Use this life. It is a very infinitely precious life. Don't see with the eyes of the society, with the eyes of the family, with the eyes of the religion. See with your own eyes. For that, you will have to remove the bandages. 3 bandages. Work on it seriously before bed. Think about this. And you will be something very special, very special. Don't take this as a video. Take this as an ocean of information. Ocean. Now I am going to tell you something about exercises. We talked about many exercises, many things, but today I will give you one point. Go before the mirror. Stand yourself in front of a mirror and think about every part of your body within few minutes. Think about hairs, forehead, eyes, necks, this portion, your arms, your legs, your knees, your foot. Think about that. Focus on that. That will give a message to those places to get empowered. Stay alert. That is a wonder exercise of the world. No exercise can compete this exercise. So stay in front of the mirror. Think about hair, think about this thing, think about eyes, think about this place, think about neck, think about this. So you approached everything just like a country that have taken care of every state. So you are doing that. So wonder of the wonders. So I told you about the removing the 3 bandages. And then I will talk little about the English. I am going to tell my friends who don't know English. No, I have given them present tense, past tense. Then I talked about future tense in the back video. No, today I tell them to collect 100 words from the kitchen, from the games, from the market, from the construction things, just like bricks, cement, window, door. In the kitchen, this butter, milk, this thing, that thing. And then in the games, cricket, hockey, this, and all those things. And you can talk about flowers, you can talk about general behavior in our life. 100 words. Write down those words in your diary. We are getting empowered in these words. Then we have that I, we and all that. Then we have will and all that. Then we have go, this, do this and all that. So slowly we are going to get empowered with the words of the English and everything. And we will be very good with the sentences and all that. So today we did a very big thing. Pass on to your friends, empower them, because this life with those 3 bandages is a 0 life. We are not living our life. We are living life with the eyes of the family, with the eyes of the society, with the eyes of the religion. Come out of that. Then see, you will see a real life. You will see, might remember me. I might not make so much videos because the potential of the viewers are going down. They are interested in many nonsense things all around. They are not interested in empowering their life to see this universe, see this life where we landed. So, namaskar, and I will be again there in front of you with something inventive, something new, something fantastic. Again, thank you.